Today on Mama Soul Kitchen, we have hot buffalo drumsticks.
Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our hot buffalo drumsticks, everybody. Okay, now, last week we did a segment on wings, okay? We did hot buffalo wings, okay, with Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. So that's already on our YouTube channel. So what we did was we went on and fried some chicken legs today. We just want to have a little bit more meat appetizers for the football game today, starting in a couple of hours. So we just want to kind of have a little bit more munchies of chicken legs instead of wings and fighting over the little wings and the bones, right? So we got drumsticks. So we went on and fried our drumsticks as appropriately as we showed you on the other videos. And if you want to see how we did that, you can go look at that. Now, we have our hot sauce and butter mixture here with seasonings and all that good old stuff that's on the YouTube channel as well. Now, we're going to go ahead and add this on to their chicken drumsticks, everybody. Yes, we are. And we're so happy to have this and share this with you guys. And you guys can bling up your chicken legs as well. Okay? Now, look at this. Now, that's the secret of that. Now, look at that sauce on there, right? Now, we're not done yet. Put that in the sink. We're going to add on our cover to our chicken bowl here. Close it up. We have a slide here, slide it close. Okay, now we're going to shake it on up. Shake it like how your mama shake. Okay, grandmother. Okay, now here we go. Look at that. What they said? What they said at the church? What they said? They said it looks good. I know exactly, right? We ain't playing. But look at that. Then we're gonna shake it up again. But you guys get the concept of what's going on. You're gonna soak your hot wings, you guys, your hot chicken drumsticks, everybody. Let me correct that. Okay, look at that. Don't that look delicious? Look at all that flavor. Ain't nothing but flavor all up in them gristles and morsels of that drumstick. Look at that. Whoo, I can't wait. All right, you guys, just wanted to share that with you. Have a happy game day. Bye. Bye, you guys. Bye.
Also, our cookbook of Mama Soul Kitchen is available at Amazon, and we are also making additional cookbooks for vegan and vegetarians only coming soon. We also have Just Desserts Child for the sweet tooth only.